Have you ever noticed how a tidy, sunlit room can instantly lift your mood, while a cluttered, dark space drags you down? Our environments shape our emotions and mental health more than we realize. Designers and scientists agree, a well-designed space can boost happiness and reduce stress. Research shows that natural light, organized spaces, and even wall colors directly influence our mood and productivity. For example, office workers with a view of nature are less stressed and more focused than those facing blank walls. We're wired to seek out spaces that feel safe, open, and beautiful. When our surroundings are chaotic, our minds mirror that chaos. Imagine cooking in a cluttered kitchen versus a clean, organized one. The difference is more than just visual. Intentional living means shaping your space to support your well-being. Your home should be a sanctuary, filled with things that bring you joy and comfort. Every design choice, from a pillow's color to a lamp's placement, shapes your daily experience. When you see your home as a partner in your well-being, you unlock the power to transform your mood and your life. We often focus on habits like exercise, meditation, and healthy eating for mental health. But what about the space where we do these things? Your environment is an active player in your wellness, not just a backdrop. Meditating in a cluttered, noisy room is tough. A calm, organized corner makes it easier. Your space can either support or sabotage your healthy habits. Treating your home as part of your self-care routine turns chores into opportunities for well-being. Organizing isn't just about tidiness, it's about creating calm for your future self. When your home aligns with your wellness goals, it energizes, calms, and inspires you. Give your space the same care you give your mind and body. A supportive environment is a foundation for true wellness. Color is a powerful tool for shaping how a room feels. Soft blues and greens calm us, making them perfect for bedrooms and bathrooms. Warm yellows and oranges energize, ideal for kitchens or creative spaces. Even small pops of color, pillows, art, or furniture can shift a room's mood. Choose colors based on how you want to feel in each space. Organization is just as important. When everything has a place, your mind feels clearer. Start small. Organize a drawer or a shelf. Use baskets, dividers, and labels to make routines easier. An orderly space reduces stress and frees up mental energy. A well-organized, thoughtfully colored home creates a foundation of calm. Let your space work for you, not against you. Clutter isn't just a mess, it's a source of constant, low-level stress. Every pile and misplaced item signals unfinished business to your brain, making it hard to relax or focus. Clutter can lead to anxiety, poor sleep, and even isolation. The first step to peace is recognizing clutter as a barrier to well-being. Equally stressful is a home that feels impersonal or disconnected from who you are. Your space should reflect your story, passions, and memories, not just follow trends. Personal touches transform a house into a true sanctuary. Fill your home with meaningful objects to create comfort and a sense of belonging. You don't need a big budget to transform your space, just a few simple steps. Start by decluttering one small area at a time. Use the 3-box method: keep, donate, or relocate. Clearing clutter brings instant clarity and calm. Add color with new pillows, a blanket, or art. Small changes can refresh a room's energy. Choose colors that match the mood you want in each space. Bring nature indoors with easy care plants or natural materials like wood and stone. Let in natural light to boost your mood. Make your space personal, display photos, souvenirs, and objects that make you smile. Use calming scents, lavender for relaxation, citrus for energy. These sensory details make your home feel welcoming and supportive. Every small change is a step toward a happier, healthier space. Your home should be a gallery of your life and a source of daily comfort. Start today. Your well-being begins at home. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer whose cluttered home office drained her creativity. Tired of feeling stuck, she started by decluttering, filing papers, organizing supplies, and clearing her desk. She painted her wall a calming teal and hung inspiring art and photos. Adding a leafy plant and a comfortable chair brought life and support to her workspace. A good lamp and a citrus-scented diffuser completed the transformation. On Monday, Sarah felt calm, inspired, and motivated. Her creativity returned. Her story proves that even small changes can make a big difference. A thoughtful space can reignite your passion and boost your well-being. Change your space, and you can change your life. Your environment and your mental well-being are deeply connected. Your home is more than shelter. It's a partner in your happiness. Declutter to clear mental noise. Use color to set the mood and bring in nature for calm. Personalize your space with meaningful touches that tell your story. You don't need a big budget. Start with one small change. Clear a shelf, buy a plant, or hang a favorite photo. Each step is an investment in your well-being. Your home should recharge, inspire, and comfort you. Begin creating your sanctuary today. Transform your space and watch your mind transform too.